today we are going to draw a watermelon for our Square One art fundraiser picture. Everyone's going to get a sheet of paper. Yours might have a label at the top. And we put a piece of newspaper under our paper so that we don't get marker on the table. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use Sharpie or a black marker, and we are going to draw, watch my finger, a big line that makes us smile. We don't want to draw it all the way to the edge. We want to put our picture right in the middle and leave some space around the edge. So I'm going to draw a curved line that looks like a big smile. And I'm here with my niece Inara, and I'm here with my daughter Hazel, and they're going to follow along. Just like that. All right. Now we're going to draw a little line here, but we're not going to close it all the way to the other side. We'll do the same thing to the other side. My Sharpie's starting to run out, so I'm just going to try and draw slower.
One side's big and one side's not.
The next thing we're going to do is our watermelon is going to have a bite taken out of it. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 curved lines, almost like a cloud, an upside down cloud. Then I'm going to take the end part and I'm going to connect it with this part. So I'm just going to draw that line going all the way across. Great. Now I'm going to draw the rind, which is just tracing this line, this smiley face line, like this. So that's going to be the green part of our watermelon. And then I'm going to make this little water, because it's kind of showing that our watermelon has some splashes coming up from it. It's very juicy. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make this watermelon come alive by giving it a face. You can make yours have any facial expression. Mine is going to be smiling, so I'm gonna draw 2 small rainbow lines for the eyes, and you can give yours eyelashes if you want to, or you can draw your eyes open. You are the artist, so you decide. Then I'm going to draw a little U for the smile, and I'm actually going to close that up so the mouth looks like it's opened. Then I'm going to draw a curved line inside to show that that's the tongue, and I'm going to use my marker and color in the background. All right, next thing I'm going to add is some feet. And I'm just going to draw a backwards letter L for one feet and a regular letter L for the other feet. And now it's time to color in our watermelon. It's just that simple. We just use a couple of lines and we're able to make a really neat picture. Now, when we are coloring, we might decide to add more details to our picture. I'm going to take out some of these crayons. For example, I'm going to color my watermelon magenta, and you can choose to color yours any way you want to, in this area with the face. Now you're thinking, Miss Lee, doesn't watermelons have seeds? I'm going to save the seeds for last. Because if I was to take a black crayon and start making seeds, once I color over it with another color, I might smear that black crayon. So I'm going to do the large area first, and then I'll take, I don't have a black, here's my black crayon. Then I'll take my black crayon and I'll make a couple of seeds here and there, which are just going to be dots, like that. Now I'll color in the rest of my picture. Now you can see that I've colored in my background with a lighter color, and I can go over it with another color. And this works best with crayon on top of crayon. If I was using markers, if I was to try to put marker on top of this crayon, it wouldn't work very well. Okay. So I'm just going to go in with another.
What are you going to use for the seeds?
Oh, you can use a black crayon. See how I use a black crayon? So I'm just going to take another crayon color and I'm going to start adding some stripes or some other detail to give it another interesting aspect to my picture. Because the more variety you add, variety means all kinds of different details, the more interesting your picture will be. And putting stripes, but you can do something else for yours. All right, we finished coloring our watermelon picture. Notice how each picture is different and interesting and colorful, full of details. One thing I forgot to do was write my name in my art. Now I've already colored it with crayons, so it makes it really hard for me to write my name over it with a marker. So what we'll need to do is use a crayon to write our names. So choose a color that you think will show up against what you already drew.
Let's see if there's any black.
Yeah. And then find a place close to your watermelon that you can write your name. Don't write your name too close to the edge of the paper, okay? I have a spot right here, and I'm just going to write Miss Lee. Hopefully when you watch this video, I'll remind you to write your name before you finish your picture. Anything you two would like to say?
I like Hazel's, how she did like arms, like there was a muscle. And I like Miss Lee's, how she did like lines in the bathroom, and instead of doing this water blue, she put it a different color.
Hazel, anything you would like to say?
I like Anna's because she has that bow on the top, and she has like those orange dots. I like Mammy's because she has stripes and she colored the background yellow, and I like the face.
All right, great job. All right, kindergartners, now it's your turn.